out there, slow cruising, motor mouth ball, TopGun 1, 2, 3. Hey, 611, what about RoadHog in the Bayou country? Hello, 611, RoadHog, trying to break. Yeah, there we go. That's a little bit better right there now. I really know I got one cord in the back there. Better now. All right, good deal. Let me get on up out of here. I'm rocking on. Hey, Motor Mouth, we can get you up here. Oh, he's looking down. 252, how yourself a good one, big brother? 252, how yourself a good one? RoadHog, Bayou country. West Coast, top of Mississippi, SoftballMan, where I found everybody out there. JackHammer in the Smoky Hills. Old JackHammer, Smoky Hills, reading the mail. West Mississippi, working this redneck radio station on the flat side. We stand it. Start you around the Saturday way. SoftballMan, where I find you away. If you got a copy, Motor Mouth Mall, JackHammer, Tennessee, reading the mail. Thank you. What color is it? White? Man, I'm doing real good. We're doing real good. Just trying to get this junk back on the air, man. I've kind of been down for a while, and trying to get this big old 50-foot flat side back rolling. Good morning, time to you, Mr. Motor Mouth Mall, while you're standing so good around the Smoky Hills. Those JackHammer reading the mail, folks. In the waiting room. Hey, Miss Handle. Man's going to get back in the waiting room as they lock the mail.